Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake and Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add browser to Trust Wallet. If you'd like to get dApps on Trust Wallet on your Android device, then the first thing to do is to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application and sign into it. Once you do that, you'll end up in the main homepage of Trust Wallet. Now, from this page, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Select Preferences from the menu. Now click dApp Browser. In the new tab, enable the dApp browser by tapping on the button right next to Enable. Now go to your dashboard and you'll be able to see that the dApps browser has been enabled. That is how you'll be able to add the browser on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.